Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix no content available in photo widget on iOS 17. Let's fix it in just a few steps. First of all, tap and hold the photo widget. Then select edit widget. Make sure it's set to display your desired album or memories. If it says none, choose an album or featured photos. Next, open the Photos app and check if your photos are synced. If you are using iCloud, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, then Photos, and make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. If the widget still doesn't load content, restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button, then swipe to turn it off. Turn it back on after a few seconds. Finally, check for updates. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update and install any available updates to ensure there are no bugs causing the issue. And that's it. Your photo widget should now be working. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.